ZANU-PF unleashes violence after opposition rally in Chipinge. Azvipere Moshe, pane mavhidhios ari kutendera patiri kuona kuti aiwa kune vanhu vachiri kuda advocate Nosunjamisa. Kumamisha uko tona vanhu vatanga kuimba aiwa nziyo vachisapota advocate Nosunjamisa vachiti aiwa ndezvenero. Panguva inoi kuri kunzi zvobohwa vakomana ve the regime the ruling party ZANU-PF, and panguva inoi abva vatumira vakomana vavo aiwa kutanga kukonzeresa violence aiwa pa the opposition rally. Loripo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipita mchinjiri ndobudanyira chiti yesterday independent candidate Godfrey Salani held a peaceful rally in Musapingura to mobilize support ahead of the crucial Ward 5 by-elections in Chipinge scheduled for June 14th. However, soon after the rally, non-ZANU-PF supporters launched coordinated attacks on Salani's supporters as they returned home. Brutal assaults were reported in Chipangai, Tongongara, State 3B and Makiri. One of the victims, identified as Nomalanga, is currently hospitalized due to the severity of the injuries. Several others fled in fear and their whereabouts remain unknown. The violent intimidation is a desperate attempt by ZANU-PF to sabotage the democratic process and instill fear ahead of tomorrow's decisive by-election. As opposition agents and supporters continue to be targeted, citizens are encouraged to remain resolute and defend their right to vote freely and fairly. Tomashkara kuda panguva ine sezva muri kuona mapictures awa muri kuona these supporters vatozopedzera vakutoimba kuti ndezvenero after vaona those ZANU-PF supporters vachiuya vachiva-intimidata vachiva-assaulta. Onekwa kunzi some of the citizens vatozova injured, vamwe vachiwana ma-severe injuries zvekutozova hospitalized. Zviri kunzi ZANU-PF iri kutya and inouya panapa ichihwina sarudzo neforce. Enda comment section yedu dzamafunguro enyu motibudire pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chota on the bell icon.